Lay leadership development is an outgrowth of the Healthy Church Initiative of the Missouri Conference of the United Methodist Church. It really came about as a part of the Pastoral Leadership Development, the PLD, and it came out because lay people were asking, what can we do to help? LLD really came about as part of the new thing that God is doing in the Missouri Conference here in all of our congregations. Last year we had 170 participants taking LLD in 13 different classes, and they were all facilitated by trained facilitators. We use the same material as the PLD classes, so pastors and lay leaders are looking at the same materials. They're reading the same books, and then hopefully they're talking about those every month at least, and looking for ways to motivate change and ideas in their congregation, again, toward greater fruitfulness. So that key relationship, that partnership between the lay leader and the pastor is what's really emphasized here. We don't want to get out in front of the pastors, but we believe that trained lay leaders can be very effective as partners with pastors in leading change in our congregations.
My class on LLD, I think the most important part of it was the exchange and the networking with other churches and other activities, giving us the chance to try new things.
Our church today is facing many issues that bombard it from all directions. And if we really love the church, if we really want our church to grow in Christ, then we have to be partners with our pastors in all aspects and help them do the task before them.
We thank God for this opportunity to be part of this new thing that God is doing in the United Methodist Church right here in Missouri.